Hello everyone, my name is Laura Coia and I am so excited to be part of E.E. Shank's Fabric Trends short little videos, and I would like to introduce to you today my latest book, and it is a quilt as you go clamshell. Yes, we can make clamshell quilts all by machine and quilt as you go, which means the front and the back and everything is done all in one time. Another fun part about this is they are all made with 5-inch pieces of fabric. So yes, those charm packs are going to be able to be used. Now we do have templates in the book, and we do have pages that we're able to print out so that we can follow along and do these projects. There's 24 pages in this book, so there's lots of good information on how to do these, and there's some fun projects. We can make little quilts. We can make table runners. And with those 5-inch squares of fabric, we're able to make miniature clamshells. These are a lot of fun to do. How about table runners? And pillows to match. And they are all quilt as you go. So we're going to be able to get those clamshell pieces, put them on that quilt sandwich, quilt, do the next row, and we are going to be able to get that quilt done before you know it. They're fun classes to take, and they're fun projects to do. And with all the possibilities of our charm packs, it really makes it a lot of fun. How many packs do you want to use? Will determine on how big your quilt is going to be. Clamshells really have never been easier than this technique. And the technique is all covered in this book. So once you've learned the technique, you can use a coloring page that you can print out so you can color in the fabrics that you want to use, or just count on how big you want that quilt to be. Small quilts, table runners, anything can be made in this quilt as you go clamshell. I do hope you pick up a copy. This is probably my funnest projects ever. And you're going to be able to get a copy from E.E. Shank, so be sure to check that out. And thank you for joining me today. Bye for now.